Didn't know just walking to the bus stop. Cold out here, man. I just got chased by a dog. I'm dead serious. Whew. That's tired. Oh my god. Yeah. Hope you ain't behind me. Oh, that was so tired. I can't believe what just happened. Shout out to all my followers. Give us a like, subscribe. Y'all tell me what I should do next time. That was insane. Whew. Still walking. Not at the bus stop yet, but only one so far, I believe. Oh, bro, look at this. A killer clown just did that stuff. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just tired. Papa dear. Love me. They hit me all the time. You like me. Okay, I'm gonna end this video right here. Pop out to all my fans.